Okay, hi, I'm Linda DiSola and I'm from Rockland, Mass. This is my 1939 Ford Coupe. We bought it, we've had it over almost 30 years now. We've done it many years ago, so it's still a little worn, but we have a lot of fun with it. We also run a cruise night in Halifax on Friday nights, which anybody can go to, and we have all kinds of vehicles there. But this one here is a lot of fun. It does everything that you want it to do. It goes fast, and it's something good to have. If you ever need fun, buy yourself a hot rod. Women can do it too, so take care and have a good day.